What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here. Happy Thanksgiving. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Live and embed the YouTube Live feed either in the back end of your website or in a Thinkific course. This opens up huge opportunities because now a Thinkific course that would otherwise be static content can be updated live with YouTube Live. So guys, I'm going to show you the code. I'm going to cut and paste it into the description of this video. So look down below. And if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, but let's get into the meat of it. So here's the deal. I've got a YouTube Live going right now. I do this so that I can grab the URL. Now you don't have to have one going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually end this stream. So let's end that. And I'm just going to create a new one so you guys can kind of see how all of this works, and it can be done scheduled ahead of time. So let's say we go webcam, let's see here. We're going to schedule it test 2. We're going to schedule it for a later date. Let's do the 30th. I'm going to hit next. It's going to grab a thumbnail. Now, I don't have a webcam set up to the computer, so it's just going to grab that. That's fine. I want to go share. I want to grab this code to begin with. Now, what I actually can do, let's do it like this. I'm just going to grab the embed link right from there. So I copy that. I'm going to close that window. And first, we'll go into Thinkific, because this is what I think is the most exciting. I am going to, this was the one that we were sharing before. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a new chapter. I'll click on add a chapter. We're going to call it test live video 2. I'll save that. If you're not familiar with Thinkific, get familiar. It's an amazing platform. We'll add a lesson. We're going to make it a text lesson. YouTube Live. We're going to come down here and we're going to click the code view. So I'll click code view. I'm going to paste exactly what I just had. So this is the embed code for the YouTube Live that's coming up, right? You can see there the title test 2. Now I want the chat to show up also. So I'm going to go down a line. I'm going to click to embed. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the same, but what we need is we need a couple different lines of code. So we actually want this. I'm going to grab, copy that link. We're going to come back in here and I'm going to paste just the first part. So see that piece that starts with 4? I'm going to leave that up there. Now I'm going to copy, that is the identifier for the specific video. I'm going to paste it right in there. Now I've got the specific video. The only thing I need to do is add in here the domain for Thinkific. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here. I'm going to copy that part of the domain. For me, it's learnmedicarebilling.thinkific.com. I'm going to come down here, overwrite it right there. And we're going to get out of the code view. And what we see, let's finish that. Let's see if we can go, I'm going to jump out here. I'm going to preview it. We've got the preview right there. Test this live chat. And I'll jump back in here. What we need to do is we'll save this. We'll jump out to preview it. And it didn't work. Okay. Let's see if we can do some tweaks here. So here is where the problem is. You guys see that right there? So what we need to do is we need to just grab, let me see here, let's go, I don't know how that got squirrely. we'll repaste that part. We'll get out of code view, we'll save, and there you go. So now you can see my live chat's working. We've got it right there. And then of course, you know, the same exact process. So I can literally just come in here, copy those two components. I can go into, I'm using Divi with the Divi builder. I'm going to enable the Divi builder. I'm going to come down, I'm going to add a new section just so you guys can kind of see what I do. I'm going to make it big on the left, small on the right. I'm going to add some code. I'm going to drop the code in here, and remember, the first part is just the video. So we can leave just the video there, exactly the same link. The second part, this needs the URL, the domain rather, from the website we're posting to. So in this case, it's totaltherapy.com. I just want the domain. So I copy that. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to overwrite the Learn Medicare Billing. I'm going to paste my totaltherapysolutions.com in there. I'm going to save that. Get that out of my way. And we'll let it update. And let's see what the preview looks like. Boom, there we go. There's the live chat. So this is the scheduled video that's going to come out November 30th. When it goes live, it's ready. This is the live chat that will accompany it. I've got it in my Thinkific account. I've got it on my WordPress site. I can control access to both of those. Just think about this as an idea that you can provide live content embedded in your feed with the chat available, all 100% free. Like, that is huge. Guys, tell me how you're going to use this kind of technology. I'll put these links in the video description. Once again, we're doing some really cool stuff in here right now. So subscribe to the channel, like the video. I appreciate the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next round.